GTX-A, the inaugural line in the GTX series, is scheduled to commence operations in March of the upcoming year. Let's delve into the details of GTX today. What is GTX? GTX, short for Great Train Express, functions as a rapid metropolitan railway system that links key areas within a metropolitan region. It employs a method involving tunnels deeper than 40 meters underground to lay down its tracks. Unlike traditional subways with curves, GTX operates in a straight line, enabling speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour, far surpassing the 60 to 80 kilometers per hour average speed of regular subway systems. The emergence of GTX in Gyeonggi-do is rooted in the region's transformation from a rural province to a home for new cities as Seoul's population swelled past 10 million. This growth led to an influx of workers commuting from Gyeonggi-do to Seoul, causing significant travel time complaints and prompting the development of GTX to address these concerns. Similar systems exist worldwide, such as London's Crossrail and Paris RER. Crossrail, also known as the Elizabeth Line, was initiated in 2009, covering a substantial 118 kilometers, and commenced operations in the recent past. Studies indicate that Crossrail has spurred the growth of extensive housing developments and economic resurgence in areas surrounding London. GTX routes. The GTX network currently comprises three primary lines: Line A, Line B, and Line C. Line A, spanning 53.4 kilometers and due to start operating in March 2024, connects Unjong and Paju to Dongtan, passing through significant locations like Ilsan KINTX, Seoul Station, and Seongmin. Line B, an 82.7-kilometer route set to open in 2030, will bridge the western and eastern regions from Songdo in Incheon to Namyeongju in Gyeonggi-do. Line C, covering 85.9 kilometers and expected to commence operations in 2028, will link the southern and northern areas, running from Yangju in Gyeonggi-do to Suwon. GTX and the debate on metropolitan megacity. The discussion surrounding the integration of Gimpo, Gyeonggi-do, into Seoul and the potential emergence of a megacity hinges on the impact of the GTX system. Proponents suggest that the connectivity offered by GTX could effectively merge Seoul and Gyeonggi-do into a unified living space, potentially laying the groundwork for a metropolitan megacity. However, dissenting voices counter this by arguing that while the GTX improves convenience for residents of both regions, the administrative amalgamation of Gyeonggi-do into Seoul might be impractical. They caution that the introduction of the new railway system could inadvertently disperse the concentration of the metropolitan area, potentially leading to unintended consequences or side effects.